Welcome back to our channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, where we turn houses into homes with style and grace. I'm your host Lulu, and today we are thrilled to present the much anticipated sequel to our popular series 40 New Living Room Ideas, Design, Furniture, Decoration and more. Part 2. In this video, we are elevating living room designs to new heights, showcasing a diverse array of modern contemporary spaces that cater to every taste and lifestyle. From the simplicity of small and medium-sized rooms to the opulence of large, spacious areas, we've handpicked another 40 fabulous ideas to inspire your next home makeover. What can you find here? Well, let's start with versatile designs. Whether you are working with cozy corners or grand open spaces, our ideas are adaptable to any room size. You can also find modern contemporary flair. We focus on the sleek and sophisticated appeal of modern contemporary aesthetics, bringing you the latest trends in living room design. And not forget a spectrum of styles. Here you can explore a range of styles from minimalist sanctuaries to glamorous retreats, each with its own unique charm. Don't just dream about your perfect living room, make it a reality. Watch our video, get inspired, and start transforming your space today. And remember, if you love what you see, hit that like button, subscribe to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, and turn on notifications to never miss an episode of home design inspiration. Stay tuned, enjoy the journey, and let's make your living room a statement of who you are. Let's get started. Let's start with this spacious and elegant living room. A modern and inviting space, it features a spacious layout, comfortable seating with plush sofas, an artistic touch with a large painting, and warm lighting from an elegant chandelier. It's a room that's perfect for relaxation and social gatherings.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. It better be, feel better, better. Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. It better be, feel better, better.
The corner living room from the image is a modern space blending comfort and style. It's bathed in natural light, featuring a huge white sectional sofa, a chic dark chair with an ottoman, a vibrant greenery that adds life to the space. An abstract artwork and a sleek TV on a dark accent wall provide visual interest, while a circular chandelier offers a warm glow.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. You better be, you better be, you better make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. Make some trouble, baby.
Now let's have a look at the living room that is a spacious and modern sanctuary featuring a plush sectional sofa, matching ottoman and a sleek coffee table. It's bathed in natural light from large windows that offer a tranquil garden view. The room is accented with an abstract painting and a soft area rug, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A shelving unit displays a collection of books and ornaments, adding a personal touch to the polished wood flooring. Overall, it's a stylish and comfortable space that feels like a perfect spot for relaxation or entertaining guests.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better.
This living room has a spacious layout, natural light, and elegant furnishings is a place where comfort meets style, featuring a plush white sofa, artistic touches, and a warm, inviting ambience, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. You better be, you better be, you better make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better.
Another modern and stylish living room characterized by contemporary furniture and decor. A contemporary retreat with a bright and airy feel, featuring a comfortable cream-colored L-shaped sofa, vibrant accents, and lush greenery that bring life to the space. It's another ideal spot for both relaxation and social gatherings.
Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be in trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better, better. You better
And there you have it, friends. 40 more incredible living room ideas that blend comfort and style, function with beauty, and simplicity with luxury. I'm Lulu, and it's been an absolute pleasure to guide you through these transformative designs on our channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, from the snug corners of small living spaces to the expansive elegance of large rooms. We hope this video has sparked your imagination and give you the tools to create a living room that resonates with your personal flair. Before you go, if you find inspiration in our video, please consider sharing it with someone who is embarking on their own home design journey. Your support means the world to us and helps our community grow. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more creative and inspiring content. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Remember, your living room is more than just a space. It's where life happens, stories unfold, and memories are made. So take these ideas, make them your own, and transform your living area into a place that truly feels like home. Thank you for watching, and we can wait to see you on the next video. Until then, keep designing, keep dreaming, and keep creating spaces that you love. Bye!